In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a field from a project in Asana. Maybe your project has gotten cluttered with fields you no longer use, or your team has updated its process and some fields are now redundant. Cleaning those up can make your project easier to read and keep everyone focused on the information that actually matters. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through removing a field from a project in Asana and explain what's happening at each stage so you can do it confidently. First, start by opening the Asana project where the field currently lives. Make sure you're in the right workspace and team, and then select the specific project from your sidebar. The process is the same whether you're in list view or board view, but it's usually easiest to see fields in list view since they appear as column headers across the top of your task list. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the fields are visible. Next, look for the field you want to remove along the top of the project, where the column names are displayed. This might be something like priority, status, or any custom field your team has created. Once you've found it, move your cursor over that field's name. You should see a small arrow icon appear beside the field label. This arrow opens the options menu specifically for that field. Go ahead and click the small arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. In that drop-down, you'll see several options related to configuring or managing the field. Here, look for the option that says Remove Field from Project. This is what disconnects the field from this particular project. Click Remove Field from Project. At this point, you're telling Asana you no longer want that field displayed or used in this project's tasks. This is especially helpful if your project has changed focus and a previous field is no longer relevant. After selecting that option, Asana will typically show a confirmation dialog to make sure you really want to proceed. In that dialog, you'll see a button labeled Delete Field. Click on Delete Field to confirm your choice. Once you do this, the field will be removed from the project and you'll see it disappear from the list of columns. That's all you need to do. By following these simple steps,